Whakalafalayatu and a very good evening. These are our top stories for you for tonight. A yacht that had entered illegally last week Sunday was told to depart Niue waters immediately.
In a press release, the Niue Police Department said the yacht was spotted along the west coast of Niue at about 12:30 p.m. The yacht, which is en route to the Fiji Islands from Tahiti, was not in distress and had entered Niue waters illegally. The police department quickly responded and ordered the yacht to leave immediately.
Every year we remember and commemorate Niue's fallen heroes on Anzac Day. 150 brave young men departed Niue shores not knowing what lay ahead, leaving families, friends and loved ones to fight for world peace.
This year's Anzac falls on a Sunday, and according to the president of the Returned Servicemen Association, RSA, Charlie Tohovaka, there will be a slight change to the normal program. The Girls and Boys Brigades will still march together with the police, with the exception of the gun salute. The church service, usually after the commemoration, has been removed from this year's program. Australia will be represented by its High Commissioner, Susan Allen, together with New Zealand's High Commissioner, Helen Tanner. Mr. Charlie Tohovaka acknowledges villagers will have their own commemoration to honour their fallen heroes, which could be done on Saturday morning, freeing people to attend the national commemoration at the Millennium Cenote. Cabinet has also declared Monday, the 26th of April, an official public holiday in lieu of the Anzac Day.
Niue High School held its yearly cultural performances in front of family and friends that had gathered at the Niue High School last week.
It was an impressive performance from the Niue High School students last week, Friday, as they graced the crowd that gathered to witness them sing and perform the various cultural war dances. The students represented the respective schoolhouses, Kieto, Pua, Langkali and Moya. All displayed colourful performances highlighting Niue's cultural and tradition values.
In the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, consumers are curbing spending as economies retract from travel restrictions. Niue is not immune, but just recently a record $110,000 was donated by invited guests to Palahetonia's family ear piercing and haircutting ceremony.
Within 4 weeks, the record has been broken by the family of Israel and Helene Tonyamana from Lakepa, collecting $113,000. The family have worked hard together and prepared for the ear piercing and haircutting ceremony. According to Ezra, this is the second time. The first time was last year, where it was postponed to this year. It's been a hard and challenging journey, but he thanks the support of his family, relatives and friends for assisting and giving bountifully for the occasion.
The village of Hikutawake was full of excitement as they kicked off their show day for 2021.
The first show day of the year started last week Saturday with food stores and food crops on display and on sale. The show day was held at 2 separate locations, one at the village green and the other at Matapas Bar, where the village MP, village councils and the government officials delivered their speeches. In his speech, the Premier Honourable Dalton Tangalangi announced the $9 million donation that the New Zealand government will donate to help with the COVID-19 pandemic. The Premier also encouraged the village to come together as one and to work together for future show days. The next show day will be at the Makifu Show Day next month.
That ends our news for this evening. Do have a great one. Until next time, nona fua, moi monuena.